Time blocking is a strategic time management method where you allocate specific blocks of time to different tasks, activities, and projects. Now, it's not about creating a to-do list, but instead, it's about structuring your day in a way that helps you to maximize your focus and also boost your productivity. So let's have a look at some of the benefits of time blocking. By dedicating set blocks of time for specific tasks, you eliminate multitasking. And instead, you focus on one task at a time. This allows you to go into deeper moments of concentration to fully immerse yourself in that one particular task. Organizing your day into time blocks helps you prioritize important tasks and ensures that critical activities receive the attention that they deserve. Now, let's face it, how many times have you been putting off the important work only to suddenly realize that you've actually run out of time? Well, when you allocate specific time slots to tasks, you are much more likely to finish them or complete them as much as you can within that allotted time. Now, this sense of emergency can help you boost your efficiency, help prevent procrastination, ultimately increase your productivity and your results. Which leads me nicely onto this joke. Why did the procrastinator start time blocking? Because they heard it was the best way to schedule in their daily dose of procrastination. When you assign a specific time to a specific task, make a commitment to that task. This minimizes the temptation to procrastinate, as each time block becomes a dedicated place for your progress. Now, you face a multitude of decisions each day, from the moment you get up to the last thing at night when you go back to bed, from what to eat, what to wear, and the biggest one, what to do each day. Pre-planning your schedule minimizes the need for constant decision making throughout the day. Make a decision during your planning phase of what you're going to do during each time block and stick to it. This reduces decision fatigue and frees up your mental energy for more of the important tasks. Time blocking allows you to allocate specific periods of time for work, personal activities, and relaxation to achieve a more balanced lifestyle by intentionally planning your day in advance. Now, this balance is crucial for your overall well-being and prevents burnout. So are you one of those people who spends too much time working on one area of your life, such as work, to the detriment of other areas of your life, such as your health and well-being, or socializing with family and friends? Then time blocking can definitely work for you. Tracking your time through blocks gives you a clear understanding of actually how you're spending each moment. It's a powerful tool to help you identify time-wasting habits, making positive changes, and also building in those positive lifestyle habits. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks and assigning dedicated time blocks to them is a great way of making progress constantly. And it makes it easier to make that progress because your focus is on the direct small step that is right in front of you, rather than that long-term goal, which may be a few weeks or even months away. Now, this can lead to a greater sense of accomplishment, can help keep you motivated as the progress is much more constant. While time blocking does provide structure, it also allows for flexibility. So if unexpected events or priorities do arise, then adjust your schedule accordingly without that feeling of being overwhelmed. Because let's face it, life will happen. You'll get stuck in traffic, you'll miss that gym class, you'll leave work later than expected, so you miss socializing with friends. These things just happen. Do not let them completely derail you. Just deal with what's in front of you and get straight back to work as soon as you can. Now you know some of the benefits. How do you implement time blocking into your life? Well, first of all, determine what is the most important tasks that require your urgent attention. These are the ones that have urgent deadlines attached to them, or they're emergencies. These are the ones that have the biggest and the highest impact on your life. These are your priorities. Work on these first. Make sure you assign time slots to different activities, ensuring that you dedicate ample time, not to just those high impact activities and tasks, but add in time for personal development, fun, and don't forget time for self-care. Treat each time block as sacred appointments. So minimize distractions by switching off your mobile phone and email notifications. And commit to the task assigned to each time block with your full attention. And periodically assess how well your time block system is working for you and adjust as needed to make sure you keep maximizing and optimizing your productivity. Remember, your life is constantly evolving, so evolve with it and have fun with time blocking. It really can revolutionize your productivity and ultimately your life.